Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Brina. Today I'm going to be showing you how I did this glittery pink smoky eye. So if you'd like to see how I worked this magic, keep on watching. To create today's look, I'm going to be using the Morphe M35 palette as well as the Beauty Creations Splash of Love palette. I've already started by priming my eyes using a Tarte Shape Tape, so I'm just going to go right into the eyeshadow today. I'm first going to start by taking the shade Candy Crush on a lavish tapered blending brush. And I'm just going to pop this into the crease and start smoking it out. If you're not new to my channel, then you may be very aware of the fact that I tend to very much smoke things out, but today I'm going to keep it inside of the brow. Normally I will bring a smoky eye clear out here, but today I'm feeling a little, I don't know what the word is for it, less wild, I guess, maybe? Or maybe I'm feeling a little wild and changing up my routine. I'm going to stick with the same brush and go into the shade Sweet Beets. And then I'm just going to use that to deepen up the innermost part of my crease. For this shade, I don't want to take it past this point, so I'm just going to focus it entirely into the crease. And once I have all of that product packed onto the crease, I'm just going to take this brush and angle it downwards and blend those edges together nicely. Going in with the shade FOTD on a lavish eye shading brush, I'm going to pack that on to the outer third of the lid and then work it into the crease and those other two shades, and then go back in with that original brush to blend it out. And now it's time for glitter, so I'm going to go in with this middle shade on that same lavish eye shading brush, and I'm just going to apply it to the lid. Okay, so I'm not exactly loving how the glitter is looking, so I'm going to go in with Color Persona and try to fix it a little bit with that. Yeah, that's doing the trick. I also just went ahead and added a little bit of Sweet Beets to right above that glitter. I just felt like it was missing a little bit of something. Now that I've successfully gotten glitter everywhere, I want to go ahead and smoke out the lash line a little bit. So I'm going to take this flat brush that I got in my July Glow Addict beauty box and go into Black Magic. And then I'm just going to pop this right on that lash line, creating a slight wing with it. And then just blend it up. Going back in with my fluffy brush and Sweet Beets. Just going to soften that black a little bit. Okay, so I like how the black is looking a little bit more on this eye, so I'm going to try to fix the other eye using my sponge. Just going to stamp out that line like I have on the left eye, using the product that's left over on my sponge. And then just going to fix it a little bit with the brush again. And now it's time for the lower lash line. I'm going to start by tightlining using this black pencil liner, and then I'm going to go back into Sweet Beets on this collab crease brush and then blend out that black liner, and then going back in with Candy Crush to make it a little bit brighter. And now it's time for lashes. For lashes today, I'm wearing the 3D Foam Ink lashes from LA Colors. That's it for this glittery pink smoky eye. Give this video a thumbs up if you like this eyeshadow tutorial. Here's my little coal. Felt like a lump of coal. She hates when I hold her, so I'm gonna do it anyways. Comment down below with your pet's name, and don't forget to subscribe before you go. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye! And now it's time for lashes.